Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us begin the recitation of the Noble Quran, Surah An-Nisa, verses 1 to 10 with tartil and full devotion. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu taqu rabbakumul ladzi khalaqakum min nafsin wahidatin wa khalaqa minha zawjaha wa batha minhuma rijalan katsiran wa nisaa wattaqullaha alladzi tasaaluna bihi wal arham innallaha kana 'alaikum raqiba. O humanity, be mindful of your Lord who created you from a single soul, and from it he created its mate, and through both he spread countless men and women. And be mindful of Allah, in whose name you appeal to one another and honor family ties. Surely Allah is ever watchful over you. Wa atul yatama amwalahum wa la tatabaddalul khabitha bit-thayyibi wa la ta'kulu amwalahum ila amwalikum innahu kana huban kabira. Give orphans their wealth when they reach maturity, and do not exchange your worthless possessions for their valuables, nor cheat them by mixing their wealth with your own, for this would indeed be a great sin. Wa in khiftum alla tuqsitu fil yatama fankihu ma toba lakum minan nisa'i masna wa thulatha wa ruba' fa in khiftum alla ta'dilu fawahidatan aw ma malakat aymanukum dzalika adna alla ta'ulu. If you fear you might fail to give orphan women their due rights, if you were to marry them, then marry other women of your choice, 2, 3, or 4. But if you are afraid you will fail to maintain justice, then content yourself with one or those bond women in your possession. This way you are less likely to commit injustice. Wa atum nisaa saduqatihinna nihlah fa in tibna lakum an shay'in minhu nafsan fakuluhu hani'an mari'a. Give women you wed their due dowries graciously, but if they waive some of it willingly, then you may enjoy it freely with a clear conscience. وَلَا تُؤْتُوا السُّفَهَاءَ أَمْوَالَكُمُ الَّتِي جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لَكُمْ قِيَامًا وَارْزُقُوهُمْ فيها واكسوهم وقولوا لهم قولا معروفا. Do not entrust the incapable among your dependents with your wealth, which Allah has made a means of support for you, but feed and clothe them from it, and speak to them kindly. وَابْتَلُوا الْيَتَامَى حَتَّى إِذَا بَلَغُوا النِّكَاحَ فَإِنْ آنَسْتُمْ منهم رشدا فادفعوا إليهم أموالهم ولا تأكلوها إسرافا وبدارا أن يكبروا ومن كان غنيا فليستعفف ومن كان فقيرا فليأكل بالمعروف فإذا دفعتم إليهم أموالهم فأشهدوا عليهم وكفى بالله حسيبا. Test the competence of the orphans until they reach a marriageable age. Then if you feel they are capable of sound judgment, return their wealth to them, and do not consume it wastefully and hastily before they grow up to demand it. If the guardian is well off, then they should not take compensation, but if the guardian is poor, let them take a reasonable provision. When you give orphans back their property, call in witnesses, and sufficient is Allah as a vigilant reckoner. للرجال نصيب مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون وللنساء نصيب مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون مما قل منه أو كثر نصيبا مفروضا. For men, there is a share in what their parents and close relatives leave, and for women, there is a share in what their parents and close relatives leave, whether it is little or too much. These are obligatory shares. وَإِذَا حَضَرَ الْقِسْمَةَ أُولُو الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينُ فَارْزُقُوهُم مِّنْهُ وَقُولُوا لَهُمْ قَوْلًا مَّعْرُوفًا. If non-inheriting relatives, orphans, or the needy are present at the time of distribution, offer them a small provision from it and speak to them kindly. وَلْيَخْشَ الَّذِينَ لَوْ تَرَكُوا مِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ ذُرِّيَّةً ضِعَافًا خافوا عليهم فليتقوا الله وليقولوا قولا سديدا. Let the guardians be as concerned for the orphans as they would if they were to die and leave their own helpless children behind. So let them be mindful of Allah and speak equitably. Innalladzina ya'kuluna amwalal yatama dzulman innama ya'kuluna fi butunihim naran wa sayaslawna sa'ira. Indeed, those who unjustly consume orphans would, in fact, consume nothing but fire into their bellies, and they will be burnt in a blazing hell. Sadaqallahul Azim.